This is Derek Wilder with Virtuemart Shipping, and in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to apply tax to the fixed price shipping in Virtuemart. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select Components and then Virtuemart. And once we're in the back end of Virtuemart, we need to select Store and then Shipping Module List. And then click on Configure Ship Method. Now notice what we have here. We have two product SKUs created, one HO1, which is a nice saw, and one PO4, which is a power sander. Now let's click on Configure International Shipping, and you'll notice that we have two international shipping rates configured, one for the United States and one for India. So then the question is, if we're shipping to India, we may need to apply tax to the shipping. If we're shipping to the United States from another country, say Germany, we may need to apply tax to the shipping cost itself. Here's how you do that. Click on Tax over on the left-hand side. And then notice when I click on List Tax Rates, I have no tax rates assigned at this point. And then click on Add Tax Rate. We're going to scroll down. And the first thing we're going to do is select United States. And we want it for the entire United States, not just a particular state within the United States, so we'll leave this as none. And then the rate we'll apply to the United States is 5%. And when you apply this rate, as the notes say over here, you need to type in 0.05 for 5%. And then click Apply. Now, let's go ahead and add another tax rate. This time we're going to add it for India. So we'll scroll down and select India. And again, you can select a region within India if you would like. We're going to use this same tax rate for the entire country. And this time we're going to type in 10%, which is 0.10, and click Save. Now you'll see for India we have a tax rate of 10%, and for the United States we have a tax rate of 5%. So now we're going to go back to the configuration of the shipping itself. So click Store, and then Shipping Module List. And then click Configure Ship Method. Now what we need to do is click on Configure International Shipping. Here we are in the United States, and right now we have no surcharge for international shipping for the United States, but we're going to change that by clicking on the United States. And here, where the shipping fee is, we're going to say there's going to be a $10 shipping fee to the United States and a $5 packaging fee. Now notice VAT ID row. If you click down on this, the 10% and the 5% that we just configured is now listed in this drop-down list. So for the United States, we decided 5% was the tax on the shipping. So we'll select 5% and click Update. Now we will click into India and do the same thing. Go down to VAT ID row, click on 10% and click Update. Now we've applied a 5% tax on shipping to the United States and a 10% tax on any shipping cost related to India. So now let's go back to Configure Product Specific, and notice that the nice saw is $3 for one item, $2 for each additional item, and the power sander is $5 for one item and $5 for each additional item. In the international shipping, if it's shipped to the United States, we're going to charge an extra $15 surcharge for international shipping. So let's go to the front end and see how this works. Okay, we're on the front end now, and we have one nice saw and one power sander in our cart. So we're going to click Checkout. And notice this is going to the United States. So let's click Next. Now what we have, international shipping, which is $15. But notice, because we've applied 5% tax to the shipping is now not $15. It is $15.75. Also remember, on the back end we were charging $3 for a nice saw and $5 for one power sander. That's $8. That $8 is right here. But again, since we're applying 5% tax to it, $8 times 5% is $8.40. So the total shipping cost is $24.15. That includes the international shipping along with the applicable tax, and the fixed price shipping along with its applicable tax. That's what makes up the total, $24.15. Click Next. And you'll notice that $24.15 is applied to the cart, and now you're ready for checkout. And that's how you apply tax to shipping costs inside of Virtuemart.